Thank you for choosing Confer Plastics. Before we get started, there are just a few tools needed. Rubber mallet, Phillips screwdriver, cordless drill with a number 2 Phillips driver, and a 5/16 drill bit. Also, I find it's a lot easier to assemble parts using a little dish detergent. Lay out all of the parts and check against the parts list. Next, let's measure the height from the ground to the top of the pool. You will need this measurement before you install the extension boots. Note, if your pool is 48 inches in height, you will not need the extension boots. We'll need the extension boots because our pool is 52 inches in height. Before I install the extension boots, I like to clean out all of the holes using my cordless drill and a 5/16 drill bit. If you don't have a drill, you can knock out the plastic using a Phillips screwdriver and rubber mallet. Clean out all of the holes on the bottom of the 4 ladder legs. Slide the extension boots onto the ladder, making sure the cut angle on the boot matches the angle of the tabs on the ladder legs. Because we have a 52-inch pool, we'll slide the extension boots all the way onto the ladder legs, making sure the top holes are aligned. If you have a 54-inch tall pool, only slide the boots up to the middle hole on the ladder legs. Attach the extension boots using the 2-inch long bolts and plastic acorn nuts by going through the top hole on the extension boot, through the ladder leg, and secure using the plastic acorn nut. Install the other 3 extension boots. Now, we are going to attach the handrails to the ladder legs by placing the flat surface on the handrail over the flat surface on the ladder leg. Hold the pieces together and clean out the holes using your drill with a 5/16 drill bit. Attach both pieces together using 2 of the 1/4 by 20 machine screws and hex nuts. Assemble the other 3 leg assemblies the same way. To complete the outside section of your pool ladder, we will be using the small treads with the round tabs on the ends. Note which direction the safety warnings are on the treads. You'll want to install the treads so this warning is facing outward. With one of the leg assemblies lying flat on the ground, place the round tab on the small tread into the bottom keyhole slot on the ladder leg. While stepping on the ladder leg, tap the tread down until it rests on the tabs. Install the rest of the treads. Put a little liquid soap on the tread ends. Flip the assembly over, aligning all of the round tread ends into the keyhole slots. Tap down all of the treads until seated on the tabs. With the inside ladder section done, it's time to install the platform by sliding the handrail ends up through the bottom of the platform. Note the proper position of the tabs on the platform. Slide the remaining 2 ladder leg assemblies up through the bottom of the platform. Stand the ladder up. Using a rubber mallet, tap the platform all the way down so it's resting on the supports. The platform must be all the way down, resting on the supports. This may require several hard blows with the rubber mallet. Lock the tops of the handrails together. Lay the ladder back down and secure the handrails using 2 1¼ inch self-tapping screws. Install the last 2 small treads with the round tabs onto the bottom of the ladder legs. Stand the ladder up. The outside ladder has flip-up treads as a safety feature. The treads are attached to tread connectors, which are attached to the ladder platform. Tread connectors and the treads have to be installed in the right position to work properly. Also, a little liquid soap on the tread ends will help. The treads will be a press fit into the tread connectors. Having an extra set of hands will make this a lot easier. With the tread standing up, position the tread connector over the square tab and hit down with a rubber mallet. Check again to make sure the tread is installed in the proper position before installing the rest of the treads. Flip the assembly over and install the other tread connector. Remember, a little liquid soap on the tread ends will help. To install the outside flip-up section of the ladder, apply a little liquid soap to the round tabs on the ladder platform. Lay the ladder down and position the tread connector slot over the round tab and hit down with a rubber mallet. Flip the ladder over to attach the other tread connector. Stand the ladder up. Now we are going to install the anti-entrapment barrier. This barrier is required to keep small children from swimming behind the ladder or through the tread openings. This must be installed. Install the large triangular base to the bottom inside tread using two 1 1/4 inch self-tapping screws. Position the large and small barrier together with the little tabs facing each other. Slide the brace over the top of the barriers and flex apart the open end. The ends of the brace will be positioned in the barrier opening, not on the outside of the barrier. Snap the bottom of the barriers into the base. Position the barrier brace over the fourth tread and attach using two 1 1/4 inch self-tapping screws. An extra set of hands will help to hold in place while attaching. Attach the 4 foam pads to the backside of the barrier. Using your cordless drill with a 5/16 drill bit, clean out the 2 holes in the ladder platform. With a helper, place the barrier side of the ladder in the pool. As the parts fill up with water, the ladder will start to sink. Using a garden hose, fill the 2 inside ladder legs through the holes located at the top of the legs. Do not fill the outside legs with water. To get all of the air out of the ladder, you will need to lean the ladder to the left, then to the right, until all of the air bubbles stop. Now that all of the air is out and the ladder is sitting on the bottom of the pool, we need to attach the ladder to the pool top ledge. Position the ladder in the pool so the barrier is about 1 inch from the pool wall. The barrier must not touch the inside pool wall. Using a marker, mark the hole locations on the top ledge of the pool, being careful to avoid the pool wall itself. These mounting holes need to be located on the outside of the pool wall. Double-check before drilling. Move the ladder to the side and drill the 2 holes using a 5/16 drill bit. Position the ladder so the mounting holes line up. Secure by pushing the 2-inch machine screws down through the platform, through the pool ledge, and secure using a flat washer and hex nut from the underside of pool ledge. Install all 4 of the caps into the ladder legs. To lock the ladder, swing up the outside treads and insert the lock through the hole in the tread connector. Always secure the ladder with the treads up and locked when not in use. Always have competent adult supervision whenever the pool is in use. Never leave the pool unattended. If you must leave the pool area, all swimmers must be out of the pool until competent adult supervision returns.